and you can see all three of these reviewed right now if you stick around. What's up, everybody? My name is Colin County, and today I will be reviewing 3 Nerf guns. Let's get to the first one. Smallest will be first, which is the Nerf Powerful Stealth Blaster. It's like the semi-automatics, except it's more like your Nerf Jolts, but you pull the thing back in order to launch it. Let's open this thing up. Helicopter ruining my video. Okay, I'm pleased with what I see so far. Anyway, pretty much, here's what you do. Pull that back, and you can see if it's pulled back if you pull that back far enough. And then, there you go. I'm going to load it up. Here's how you shoot it. Like that. Pretty impressed with this gun. And, yeah. Fairly cheap. About $6. Not to mention I bought it by that King Soopers down the street. Not the one over there, the yellow one. Oh, actually the one over there, not that one. Okay, sorry. I get confused. Okay, next one, the 2 small ones. The gray one's going to my brother, so I'm gonna only review the blue one. So yeah, I'm gonna need a knife. Now, I have knife. Let's open up gun. Here is the gun. Let's load this baby up. Pretty nice. I'm impressed with what I see so far. These are honestly like great John Wilkes Booth guns, or like they're little flintlock pistols or some shit. I don't know. Shit. Okay, that's it for the Nerf Jolt. I'm gonna leave all these cocked and loaded for some reason. I don't know. I wanna see. Wait. I wanna see if you could like do it. Nice. Okay. Now our next gun. This little shotgun thingy here called Nerf Double Down. And the thing I like about it, I like how Nerf made this gun, so you can like test it out to see if it works before you even open it. And it does work. To be honest, when I was like dry firing it in the car when I got it, I was pretty scared on how it would fire. And when I was buying it, I kind of felt bullshit, kind of. But now I'm good. So let's open up this gun now. Here is the little gun, and what I also like about this gun. Actually, I think this is like the first thing I like about this gun, because like I noticed the this part at first. If I can get the cardboard out and the ammo, I can show you what I like about this gun. what I like about this gun is you can have 4 spare ones right here in this knuckle, in this brass knuckle part, like this. I'm out of ammo. Again. Again. Ta-da! And that's it for this Nerf gun review. Anyway, if you liked this Nerf gun review, slap the crap out of the like and the subscribe button and fist bumps all around. Ha-boom! Ha-boom! Thank you all, and we'll see all you dudes in the next video. For some reason I feel like the next video will be like Nerf TF2 now, but anyways, that might be the next video, so stay tuned for that. Anyways, goodbye and happy Nerf warring.